Hi students, let's see how to connect a console cable. On the front side of the router, you can find a blue color port, RJ535 connector that can be connected over there. At the rear side of any of the laptop computer, you can find the serial port. Connect the console port RS232 to the desktop computer. Then open the tool, Putty software on the desktop. You can find there is a serial port. Select the serial port, then press OK. You can see the router prompt on the window. So now we can start configuring. Console port for the switch is available at the rear side of the switch. You can connect the console cable. The other end you can connect to desktop computer's serial port. Now open the Putty tool, select the serial connection. Now you will be able to see the switch prompt. Now before you start configuration, there is one setup you need to do it. I mean to say the initialization, I can say. Go to the privilege prompt. There you have to do this del VLAN dot dat, because this switch would have been used by some other students, maybe the previous class. The port may be disabled or enabled. So to avoid wrong output, better you delete this VLAN dot dat, then you start configuring. Restarting the switch can be done with the simple command reload. You don't need to physically switch off the router or switch on the rack, because sometimes when you switch off by mistake, you may get accidentally you switch off somebody else's router, so it will be a problem in the examination. Better you don't do that. You better use soft reload.